Hey guys, this is Lýdia Machová from Slovakia, and you may know me from my TED Talk called The Secrets of Learning Any Language. And I want to invite you all to an amazing event for everybody who loves learning languages or is interested in languages, and the event is called Polyglot Gathering. If you watch my talk, my TED Talk again, you will actually hear me mention it in the talk and show you a picture of the participants of one of the previous years, where I happened to be the main organizer of this event. Polyglot Gathering was a life-changing event for me because I finally got to know people who are like me, who love learning languages, who want to talk about languages. And I didn't get much of that among my friends, even though they supported me in this hobby of mine. I could never really talk to them much about it because they were not big fans of learning languages. So Polyglot Gathering is a great place where such people meet, and you will see it's a very friendly, nice community. I have got to know a lot of people with whom I'm in touch with until today for many years. And so if you like learning languages yourself and you would like to talk to other people about it, then definitely join the Polyglot Gathering community. This year, because of the COVID situation, obviously the event cannot be held live, but it will be an online version, just like last year. And actually, I think you will be surprised to see what a great atmosphere can be held in an online event like this, because there will be chat rooms where you can speak to different people in different languages. You can listen to talks. I myself will have a talk too. I will share some of my tips on learning languages. And you can get to know really interesting people and learn a lot and improve this hobby of yours. So if you are interested in languages, then please join Polyglot Gathering. Do not worry about the fact if you are a polyglot, if you are not a polyglot, how many languages do you need to speak in order to be one. There is no limitation like that. Everybody is welcome who enjoys learning languages, even if you're learning just one. So I hope to see you at this online event and talk to you online